isn't just about choosing a university. It's about choosing the future you want to build. At Bennett University, we understand how important this decision is for you and your family. That's why we have built an ecosystem that prepares you not just for a degree, but for a global and a competitive world. With 90% PhD faculty from top global universities and a curriculum designed with leading global and industry partners, our programs across engineering, AI, management, media, law, liberal arts and design are built to help you learn, grow and lead. With 120 international partnerships and global pathways, your opportunities are not limited. They are truly global. Most importantly, at Bennett, we go beyond academics. Through our global immersion program, each student across all courses get an opportunity of a 1-week international learning experience at top foreign universities. You also benefit from 1:1 industry mentorship guided by CXOs and tech leaders, along with 2 mandatory internships integrated into your academic journey, ensuring you graduate with real-world experience. Live on fully residential campus with 10,000 plus hostel capacity, offering a safe and immersive environment. The world-class facilities in sports, labs, libraries, 40 plus student clubs, and vibrant experience like Euphoria, Sporticon, and Zenevia, life at Bennett shapes you both inside and outside the classroom. If you see global exposure, academic excellence, and a transformative journey, Bennett University is where it begins. Come, be a part of the 186-year-old legacy. We are now inviting applications for 2026. We look forward to welcoming you at Bennett University.